Welcome to Automatic Glass, your go-to destination for the latest in automotive innovation, expert reviews, and in-depth breakdowns of the world's most exciting vehicles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 BMW R18, a cruiser that merges classic charm with cutting-edge performance and unmistakable German engineering. The 2025 BMW R18 continues to celebrate the legacy of the iconic boxer engine with a bold, unmistakable design that pays homage to BMW Motorrad's rich history. At its core, the R18 is powered by a massive 1,802cc air and oil-cooled two-cylinder boxer engine, delivering a strong 91 horsepower and a torque-heavy 116 pound-feet at just 3,000 revolutions per minute. This kind of raw low-end power provides an effortlessly smooth and commanding ride, whether you're cruising on open highways or tackling winding country roads. It's a ride that doesn't just perform, it makes a statement. BMW's dedication to detail shines through in every inch of the R18. From its exposed driveshaft and double-loop steel frame to its polished chrome accents and deep black paintwork, the bike exudes a timeless aesthetic. The 2025 model also offers refined finishes and new customization options that allow riders to tailor the bike to their unique style, with various seat, paint, and trim choices available directly from BMW and authorized partners. In terms of ride quality and control, the R18 incorporates modern technology that enhances comfort without compromising its classic feel. Features include electronic fuel injection, automatic stability control, engine drag torque control, and 3 ride modes: rock, roll, and rain, designed to adapt to different road conditions and rider preferences. The bike maintains a traditional look with its analog dials, but also integrates a discrete LCD display for essential information. The suspension setup remains unchanged from previous iterations, with a telescopic fork at the front and a cantilever rear suspension that gives the bike a low slung, planted stance. Braking power is confidently handled by twin front discs and a single rear disc with standard ABS. BMW has also enhanced rider ergonomics in the 2025 version, with improved seat cushioning, a relaxed riding posture, and more intuitive handlebar controls. The result is a cruiser that not only looks stunning but feels incredible during long-distance travel or short weekend rides. With a base curb weight of around 761 pounds, the R18 might appear hefty on paper, but it's surprisingly well-balanced and manageable on the road. It's a blend of mechanical artistry and modern engineering that appeals to both vintage enthusiasts and tech-savvy riders alike. If you're passionate about motorcycles that offer soul, power, and presence, the 2025 BMW R18 deserves your attention. And if you enjoyed this deep dive and want more expert reviews, features, and updates on the latest bikes and cars, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now.